Well, mostly I miss my friends and festivals which I used to celebrate with them.
Firstly, I miss my parents.
I miss barish, sweets and family.
First of all, I miss for my country. First is food. Second is environment.
Climate
Third is my own area, green lush area.
and family. Yeah.
The environment which we have during the celebrations and all.
The best thing I'll miss about like getting sweets from whatever place I go in the Independence Day.
Family and the weather.
I miss going out with my friends on the bike. Every year we plan to go to Goa just to cancel it at the last time. So I miss that.